Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn intro numbers 1 to 30. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Sky blue color, yellow color, brown color, blue color, dark pink color, black color, light pink color, dark green color, red color, orange color, purple color, and light green color. Kids, now you draw one and use light green color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kids, now you draw 6 and use purple color. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kids, now you draw 11 and use yellow color. 11, 12, 13, 14. Kids, now you draw 15 and use orange color. 15, 16, 17, 18. Kids, now you draw 19 and use dark green color. 19, 20, 21. Kids, now you draw 22 and use light pink color. 22, 23, 24, 25. Kids, now you draw 26 and use black color. 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.